Hey guys, if your HP OfficeJet 8125 or similar printer screen is stuck in this mode right here, as if it's startup mode, even though the printer seems to be on and internal parts were moving and things like that, but it's stuck on this, let me show you how to get rid of it and reset your printer. Make sure you do it properly. To avoid any surprises along the way, I strongly recommend you watch this video in full before attempting to do any fix or reset. Go ahead and unplug the printer from the plug. Wait a few seconds, press the power button to discharge anything, and then go ahead and hold the power button. And while you're holding the power button, go ahead and plug in the printer into the wall or your power strip and keep holding for about 10 seconds. Now, when these two light up, it's the back button and the home button. What you're going to do is you're going to press home, back, and then double tap on home. So home, back, double tap. And you have this manufacturer's menu. Select menu. And then you're going to go next. Next, on restore all factory defaults, you're going to press OK, and that'll reset the printer. Keep in mind, you will need to reconnect the printer to your router if you were using the Wi-Fi connection. So the printer turns off by itself and turns back on. If yours, for whatever, does not turn back on, just press the power button. And now we see the startup screen, but we should see it go away and start the printer for us. Now, if that did not work for you, you can try doing an option called force user mode. Let me show you how to do that. Go ahead and press the power button and turn off the printer. If your printer did not shut off by itself, you'll need to disconnect it from the wall, then press the button and hold it down. Plug it in and then wait 10 seconds, okay, as you press it down. So our printer is plugged in and all fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and press this button and hold it for 10 seconds. The home button and back button light up. That's when you can release the power button. You're going to press home, back, and double tap on home. So home, back, double tap. You press menu. This is what we need to reset it. We're going to skip these by pressing next, and we're going to select force user mode. Then press OK. Now it's going to turn the printer off and turn it back on, and it is reset. Keep in mind, you will probably need to connect to your internet after it resets and do the initial setup. For example, it's going to ask for your region, for your language, and things like that. Just the same when you got this printer new. So now you see the startup screen again, which is normal if it's only for about 5 seconds, 10 seconds. And we go to the main screen here, and our printer has been reset. I'd like to know if this worked for you, and if it did, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section below. If you have any problems with a certain printer model, I'd like to know and help out as much as I can. Have yourself a great day, and thank you so much for watching.